Hi, just to introduce myself, I'm Gavin Lemon. I'm the Chief Executive at Norfolk County Football Association, a county FA that's responsible for the governance, development and regulation of the game within Norfolk. As an organisation, we also operate 3 different third generation pitch sites. So when it comes to maintaining our facilities, that's a crucial part of what we have to do as a facility operator. And with our first centre, we got involved with replay maintenance very early on because we needed their expertise, their top quality machinery, and that's something we've continued to do with our 2 new sites as well. So the key bit for us is, can we ensure that our carpets last as long as possible, but also maintains that quality experience for the user? And with our relationship with what we do in-house and the guidance we get from those guys with our in-house work to them coming in and doing their regular visits, I think lends itself to enabling us with the best quality service that we can provide. So we were introduced to PitchPassport from replay maintenance, and it's something that's really added to how we maintain and monitor each of our facilities. Obviously the role that I hold is I oversee all 3 alongside the centre managers, and it gives me a platform where I can monitor all 3 centres in one system. What it also does for each of the centres is really be able to monitor everything as well as obviously the 3G pitch. So it can include all sorts of different stuff for our fencing checks, our bins checks, to all sorts that we have to do to operate the facility as professionally as possible. The other thing is obviously replay can see what we're doing as well, and if, for example, we've missed one of our weekly pitch brushes, that's something that they're aware of, and we can then identify any issues that we've got with the carpet. So when they come to site, they've got a really good history of what's happened since their last visit. And with that, we can throw all of our documentation in there as well. So whether it's our O&M manuals, anything that we've got from the rubber granules that we're using, the sand provider, the floodlighting, it's all in one place, and it's become a really good tool for myself and also my colleagues that